Hi, I'm Linda Cuaderes. I'm a nurse attorney here at Miller Weiss Brodolesky, our national birth injury law firm in Dallas, Texas. I help children and their families that are victims of birth injuries caused by medical malpractice. I'm here today to discuss a very common birth injury we see in our cases called birth asphyxia or hypoxia. So what is birth asphyxia? This is a medical term that means for one reason or another, the baby's brain isn't getting those critical levels of oxygen it needs. If this is happening during birth, you may hear doctors calling it perinatal asphyxia or hypoxia. Either way, this is a medical emergency. Oxygen deprivation can quickly lead to brain damage or even death for a baby. In the womb, babies receive oxygen through their mother's bloodstream via the placenta and the umbilical cord. Oxygen-rich blood travels from the placenta through the umbilical cord and into the baby's circulatory system. This is how they breathe until they are born. Birth asphyxia or hypoxia means the blood flow is interrupted somewhere along the way. This can happen because of placental problems such as placental insufficiency or abruption. Or sometimes the blockage occurs in the umbilical cord because of a knot or from compression. Overly strong or excessive contractions over a period of time can also reduce the baby's oxygen flow. When this happens, there are signs on fetal monitoring that doctors and nurses must recognize that should lead to the delivery of the baby as soon as possible, often through an emergency C-section. Oxygen deprivation, even for only a few minutes, can cause permanent brain damage. This is known as hypoxic brain damage, and the most common type of damage is called hypoxic-ischemic encephalopathy, or HIE. Birth asphyxia or hypoxia is the leading cause of HIE brain injuries. HIE damage is irreversible, frequently causing seizures, vision impairments, breathing difficulties, physical disabilities, and developmental delays for the child. Many babies that suffer an HIE injury from birth asphyxia or hypoxia will eventually be diagnosed with cerebral palsy, which is a lifelong, irreversible condition. Attentive doctors and nurses will recognize the early signs of birth asphyxia in time to intervene. The most common sign of birth asphyxia is when the fetal monitoring strips show the baby in distress. Fetal monitoring machines monitor the baby's heart rate during labor and delivery, and abnormal findings are usually the sign that birth asphyxia is occurring. Failing to notice concerning patterns on the fetal monitoring strips and failing to intervene are mistakes that put the baby at risk. If you are wondering if your baby's developmental delays or problems were caused by preventable birth asphyxia or hypoxia, you should talk to us today. You can call us at 888-987-0005 to set up a free consultation with me or one of our 9 other in-house nurses, or you can contact us through our website at nationalbirthinjurylaw.com.